Welcome to AC Auto Reviews, where we bring you the latest and most detailed insights into luxury vehicles and motor coaches. Today, we are diving into the Newmar King Aire, a premium diesel motor coach that stands out in the luxury RV market for its impressive specifications, sophisticated design, and customizable options. Measuring a substantial 45 feet in length, the King Aire offers a spacious and comfortable living experience for travelers who value both style and functionality on the road. Powered by a robust 605 horsepower engine paired with a tag axle, this motor coach delivers a smooth and powerful drive, making it ideal for long-distance travel and varied terrain. The Newmar King Aire is built for those who want the ultimate in comfort and luxury while on the road. The generous length allows for multiple floor plans that cater to different lifestyles and preferences. Whether you desire a layout that emphasizes a large living room, additional sleeping quarters, or a gourmet kitchen, the King Aire has configurations to meet these needs. Interior design options are extensive, offering choices of high-quality materials such as plush leather seating, premium wood finishes, and elegant countertops. The craftsmanship is evident throughout, with attention to detail that ensures every inch of the coach feels upscale and inviting. On the exterior, the King Aire commands attention with its sleek black finish, accented by polished chrome trim and aerodynamic styling that not only enhances the vehicle's visual appeal but also contributes to fuel efficiency. The design incorporates large panoramic windows that provide breathtaking views of the surroundings and flood the interior with natural light. This combination of exterior aesthetics and functional design elements makes the King Aire a standout on any road or campground. Technologically, the King Aire is outfitted with advanced features that elevate the driving and living experience. The driver's cockpit is equipped with a state-of-the-art information system that includes touchscreen controls, GPS navigation, and a comprehensive suite of safety features like collision avoidance systems and adaptive cruise control. These technologies help ensure a safer and more convenient journey. For entertainment, passengers can enjoy high-definition flat-screen TVs, immersive surround sound audio, and reliable high-speed internet connectivity that keeps everyone entertained and connected wherever the road takes them. The heart of the King Aire is its powerful diesel engine, delivering 605 horsepower that provides plenty of torque and acceleration for its size. The inclusion of a tag axle improves stability and handling, especially when carrying heavy loads or navigating challenging road conditions. This engine is not only powerful but also engineered for longevity and efficiency, offering a balance between performance and fuel economy that is critical for a vehicle of this class. Maintenance is made straightforward with accessible engine compartments and onboard diagnostic systems that proactively monitor the coach's health. Inside the King Aire, comfort is paramount. The interior climate control system offers precise temperature adjustments to ensure a pleasant environment regardless of the weather outside. The living spaces are designed with both luxury and practicality in mind, featuring spacious bathrooms equipped with residential-style fixtures, including options for heated floors and upscale finishes. The bedrooms provide restful sanctuaries with comfortable mattresses and thoughtful storage solutions to keep the living space organized and clutter-free. Safety and convenience are thoughtfully integrated into every aspect of the King Aire. Multiple cameras provide a 360-degree view around the motor coach to aid in parking and maneuvering in tight spots. Automated leveling systems stabilize the coach when parked on uneven surfaces, enhancing comfort and safety. Lighting and security systems are intelligently designed and easily controlled to adapt to different situations and preferences, contributing to peace of mind during every trip. Overall, the Newmar King Aire exemplifies what a luxury diesel motor coach can be. It combines powerful performance with customizable comfort and advanced technology, all wrapped in a striking and aerodynamic package. Whether you are a full-time traveler or an occasional adventurer who demands the best, the King Aire offers a compelling choice that balances luxury living with the practical needs of life on the road. Thank you for joining us on AC Auto Reviews as we explored the features, specifications, and design highlights of the Newmar King Aire. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated on the latest luxury vehicles and motor coaches, please subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to bring you high-quality, in-depth reviews that keep you informed and inspired. We appreciate you watching and look forward to sharing more exciting automotive content with you soon.